how can I clean my laundry on the Aranui? Well, the great thing is that the Aranui provides a free laundry service a couple of times throughout the voyage, so you don't have to worry about it. And the only thing is they won't do your socks or underwear, so you will need to have the use of the laundry facilities, which they do have. And sometimes you might need your laundry done a little sooner than later. They have 5 washers and dryers available on the Aranui, and you need tokens for the washing machines. Dryers, however, are no charge. And the tokens for the washing machines and soap for laundry is available in the gift shop. So whenever you need it, there's laundry facilities and even an iron to press your clothes if you really want to.